Yo, what's up winners? My name is Carlos of In It to Win It Fitness. I am your online personal trainer, and today we're talking about the main reason the keto diet works, right? It's nothing special about it. It works just like any other low carb diet. This one just happened to take off for 2018. I'm gonna tell you the main reason why the keto diet works, or any low carb diet works for that matter. The main thing is, it's not the fact that you just cut out all carbs completely. That is not the reason, because we know you cut out the carbs and everybody think that is the reason why I'm dropping the weight, my cholesterol is dropping, my blood pressure is going down, I'm more healthy, more energized. That is not the case. The reason that you're feeling so different, the reason that you're losing all that weight is really because you cut out the cakes, the pies, the cookies, the soft drinks, the juices. You cut out all of those artificial sugars, all of those trans fats, saturated fats, all those high calorie snacks and drinks you have completely cut out of your diet. That's what all those carbs, all those bad carbs have in it. And when you do something like that, of course you're gonna lose the weight. Of course you're gonna get that blood sugar levels down, you're gonna get your blood pressure down, your cholesterol is gonna reduce, and you're gonna feel so much better. Your energy levels are gonna go up because you're no longer eating all that high sugar, so you're no longer getting those sugar crashes. You're no longer feeling like you just wanna go to sleep after eating all of these snacks and drinks that have no nutritional value. You're eating more foods that are high in nutrition, giving you protein, giving you some healthy fats here and there. You're also eating leafy green vegetables. But again, let's take it back again to the beginning where I said it's really not the carbs, it's just those bad carbs. So that means you can still eat things like oatmeal. You can still have oatmeal in the morning. It's okay. It's very high in fiber, has a lot of protein, because a lot of people just cut out carbs completely. Another thing that they cut out that you can still have that is very high in fiber and protein, let me show you, let me get it. It's gonna be things like your beans. Look for the low sodium options. Again, that way you keep that blood pressure low. So again, with the keto diet, there's nothing special about it. I know everybody praises it. They say this is the best diet ever, but it's really not. The main thing is you always wanna focus on balance. Balance is key. Portion control is key. Don't overdo it. Don't have fast food every single day. Don't have pizza every single day. Balance it out. You can have something unhealthy once or twice a month. That's okay, but balance it out. That is what is key in reaching your goals. Again, if you take out all of those overly processed foods, take out the fast food, the soft drinks, the juices, you will lose that weight, and you can still have these high fiber, high protein carbs right here. So let me know in the comments below, are you on a keto diet? Are you on there right now, or have you done the keto diet? Did you have success with the keto diet? If you did have success with it, how long did it last before you gained that weight back? Or is the weight still off? Did you keep the weight off? Let me know in the comments below. And also, let me know if you disagree with me. If you feel like you can't have any carbs at all, let me know again in the comments below if you agree, disagree. If you love the keto, don't love the keto, let me know. Let's get it. Let's win. Peace.